Today I am using the Fascy Peeling Time lotion. It claims to exfoliate and roll away dry and dead skin. You can apparently see your dead skin rolling off. I already have dry skin peeling off after I get out of the shower because I don't have a good exfoliator, so I'm interested to see if this will remove all of that dead skin. I get super dry around my arms, my chest, and my ankles, so that's where I'm going to be focusing the spray. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, okay. It's immediately peeling. I don't think that this is possibly my skin. I just didn't. The immediate peeling of this makes me think it has to be the product. Like, I did not have to work it into my skin at all. I'm definitely red. Okay, if this was all of my skin, that would be incredible, but it's just not. There's just absolutely no way. It has to be the product just building up, which stinks. I'm not gonna lie, it is incredibly satisfying. It feels itchy. Like, I honestly feel very itchy, and it smells a little bit like alcohol. I said it smelled really good, which it does. But it also smells a bit like alcohol, which I know dries your skin out, so I'm not sure. I tried a product like this in the past that was a peeling facial exfoliator, and I was shocked because once I started peeling, I was seeing so much what I thought was dead skin coming off. A lot of people said that the product worked on countertops and bathtubs, which means basically that it was just the product building up. So to test my theory, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the bathtub. I'm actually gonna try it on the table because the tub is white, so let's see. Actually not really. There's a little bit of peels, but it's not peeling up as much as I expected it to. I'm interested to see what an expert has to say because it didn't peel as much on the inanimate object as I thought it was going to. It definitely didn't peel as much as it did on my skin. So my hypothesis is like, I don't know. My hypothesis is up in the air right now. I am not sure.
So this product has a lot of different ingredients, but the one that they're claiming is an exfoliant is papaya extract, which is interesting because papaya does have enzymes which are known to break down protein. It is a bit strange that this would work so quickly as applied to the skin as an exfoliant. I don't really buy it, but they're claiming that papaya extract is the exfoliant. I think that from what I'm seeing, it looks kind of like the substance itself, like it's kind of thick, looks like what you would see if you were to wipe off rubber cement or glue off of a surface after you had applied it. I don't think, based on what I'm seeing with this product, that that's actually skin shedding. I think it's just product, kind of being wiped away. Microscopically, I didn't really see much of a difference. There maybe was a little bit more of a glimmer afterwards, but then again, if we're talking about something as big as bumps, you wouldn't necessarily be able to see those on the microscope. Based on what I saw, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this as something that you should go out and buy right now. There are other products that probably work better, that are well established. Glycolic acid is one, salicylic acid is another that's over the counter. I'd put this in the have some fun pile. I wouldn't put this on the go out and get it now pile.